Okay guys, so if you haven't used the website audit and action plan GPT that I produced, you need to be using it, right? So what is it all about? So this website audit and action plan will basically look at your website. It will look at your website and it will give you a plan of what is going wrong with it if you've done things wrong in the site. It's totally non-destructive, right? So this is a really good way for you to understand what's going on in your website but not be a developer, right? So it's perfect, right? This is like having a website designer look over your site and tell you why things are wrong with your site, why maybe the search engines are getting confused with the content on your website. So you need to be using it, right? Even if it's just that, yes, it's not going to take you long at all, and you guys can get a lot of information from it. So I thought that I'd do this little video just to show you what it's all about. So if you go in to the URL, and you can see that in the description, you're going to see website audit and action plan. So it works for both a free account and a paid account. Now if you've got a paid account, you're going to get more information, right? You're going to get more information on what's going wrong, and all you need to do is hit that button and it's just going to bring up and walk you through the steps what you need to do. So it's going to ask you what your website URL is. Okay, it's going to ask you a series of 9 questions and it's going to build an audit off the back of that. Super simple. All you need to do is drop your website in there. Once you drop your website address in there, you just need to hit here. So I've got Peter Hoot Dugan's site here, so I'm just going to do a little audit of this. The site has actually been worked on, so I'm not really that worried about the results it's going to give me. But if you guys got your finished website, it's going to give you really interesting. It's going to ask you the next question: what's your primary goal of this website right now? Get memberships, book trials, sell courses. Let's say all of the above. And it's going to analyze the text in that page, right? It's going to analyze what you're writing about and who it's for. Your ideal client. So let's just put in here 45 to 65 people struggling with mobility and flexibility, right? So that's good, and leave that. And it's going to run. I was going to ask you another question, 4 of 9. What geographic area do you want to rank and convert most strongly? So we'll just put United States, right? So it's going to look at currencies you use, it's going to look at the language you use, and going to look at all of these things. And it's going to build this thing, and at the end it's going to give you some results. Maybe you don't understand all of those, so it's really key at this stage, once you've done that, is to go on something like our live support desk that is happening every Thursday at 4 PM BST time, right? So just use a world time buddy or something to convert that into your time zone. You can join Alli. Alli's used these tools, so she knows about these things, and if she doesn't know something, she might fire a question to us guys and we might drop in and tell you at that time. So it's going to ask you next, what is the most important conversion actions you want? Book a trial, contact you, join a membership. So I know this is going to be a join a membership site, but it's also got a lead magnet on here as well. So I'm going to go join free lead magnet and join membership. So you just basically write in what you want to achieve, and it's going to then just fire through those. Super quick, right? You're not doing anything. Watch the report that it gives you at the end. It's going to be superb. So I'm going to run through the rest of the questions and I'm going to see the report that it chucks out. So this is a great question here, and I thought I would just show you this question. So question number 7, who's your main competitors or alternatives in the United States? Remember, we said the US is our target country, and remember, you can put United States, comma, UK, comma, right? Or you could put worldwide. It's really up to you. So for this particular one, what I want to do is I just want to search who's my competitors. Now I'm in the UK, so it's going to be slightly different, but I'm still going to pick it, right? So I'm going to go into here and I'm just going to put in here Woo Fitness, right, which is the name of this particular site. Fitness flexibility in wushu style training. Right, and we're just going to go and see who ranks. Now you guys should know who, funny enough it's appeared here, so you guys should know who your competitors are, right? So this is a good one here, so I'm going to take this one and I'm going to copy this link and we just say that's our competitor. So then I can jump into here and I can put that competitor in there, right? So there we go. So that's a good one to put in there, so I'm going to click that and move on. And you need to be super honest about this, right? So for in this case, like, have you got Google Analytics or Search Console? Is your website or your website platform so you can make changes easily? So website only, I have no analytics set up, right? So be honest with it. You haven't got analytics set up and it might then tell you to set that up, right? Okay. Okay, so when it's finished, it's going to tell you it's got the intake is completed and it's going to start searching and producing this detailed report for you. Remember, I'm using the paid one. So if you're using the free version at the beginning, it's going to give you slightly less questions and not be as thorough with these things, right? So it's already found some important issues. The homepage copy has multiple spelling, grammar errors and fitness methods. So it's telling you there's grammatical mistakes on there, spelling errors, not good, right? It's coming soon page that leads to a magnet checkout. Ask for a lot of fields for a free offer. Those free alone will hurt trust and conversion. Okay, so it's looking at it because at the moment it's a course and it's not a funnel, so it's causing lots of complications. So it's telling you really information that you might not know, right? And it gives you this thing to check these things out, right? Okay, it's not destructive, it's non-destructive, it's perfect for creating this audit for you. And now it gives you this notes, it's audit working notice. Notice that in the paid version of this, meaning not paying me, right, you're paying ChatGPT for a paid ChatGPT account, you can download this report. All right, so you're going to leave it, let it do its stuff. And as you can see, it's starting to bring things together and build this out. And as I said before, like, you can download it here as well. You can copy this and you can ask it further questions like, what does this mean? How do I put this right? You can ask these questions. So it's already started to say it's a deep audit because it's the paid version. Yours would be a slightly lighter one if you're using free. It's going to give you an overall score of 52 out of 100, see? And your site has a real offer, clear lead, testimonials, path to free challenge. The biggest problem is not lack of content, it's positioning, clarity and trust. So it's giving you stuff. What is working? The site has a visible free offer. Biggest problems: too broad, right? Damaging because of the copy errors in there. Secondary offer path is weak. Lead magnet has too much friction for a free offer. Support contact, SEO structure is basic and likely under optimization. Actually it is, right? So some of these points you might be addressing, and you can rerun this later once you've addressed these issues. So technical aspect, the site is crawlable enough to appear in search results and Google can read the homepage content. You do not have analytics or search console set up, so you currently lack visibility to indexing, queries, clicks, conversions. Google's own setup guide, so it's telling you there, set up that analytics. On-page SEO, so it's telling you all this information. Look at this, it's adding so much stuff. Top priorities in order, right? It's telling you what you need to do. 30-day action plan, fixed copy error, rewrite. It's giving you a plan of action that you can do. Of course, you can do these quicker. If you can run through these wouldn't take you very long to do at all. So you can run 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks into like a few hours of work and you'll have a much better. So it's telling you do not need a total rebuild. And remember, it's not looking at design, right? That's a different thing. We're just looking at the copy, the content, how it appears to search engines, right? The design is a completely different matter. If you've got design and your design doesn't look good, it could be affecting conversion rates, but we're talking about the bottom line. We're talking about your content, and that's why this is so powerful and so good, right? And you could pay a lot of money for this, or you could get someone doing this, but I guarantee you nowadays that people are just using these kind of tools to do it. So you'll be throwing money down the drain when you've got something for free. So get on and do it. Remember, 4 p.m. BST time, live support with Alli. Alli's used this. Alli uses these tools. I always send stuff to Alli for her to base check things, and she's actively using them and changing things. She knows about this stuff, so she'll be a great resource for you to go to if you get stuck. And I might come into the Thursday sessions as well. If she's got a question she asks me and it flicks up on my phone, I might just drop in and just answer those for you, or answer them afterwards, right? But this will be a really good way for you to get your site analyzed in a really quick way, but not paying any money out. So guys, do it, and do it now.